Omobude! Wait first, make everybody calm small. Today no be small day, because one correct baba wey Naija respect well, they clock 80 solid year. Rev Felix Ilaweagbon Omobude! Abeg, who dey breeze today? Na celebration everywhere. If blessing get human form, it go resemble this baba. From pulpit to people heart, baba na complete legend. 80 years no be beans. Na 80 years of wisdom, grace, and God power. Baba don touch life, build people, lift souls. And why today Nigeria, they salute you. See celebration. Even angels for heaven go to do small dance today. Because correct man will serve God well don't reach level 80. Now full respect. Baba, make we talk true. You be premium vintage blessing. The kind age where they sweet like old wine. Family they smile, friends they happy, followers they celebrate. Because life like yours na example say goodness still dey this world. Baba Omobude, my men like you they show us road. Faith strong, heart pure, legacy loud pass microphone. If wisdom na money, Baba for don't be Nigeria Central Bank because experience wey dey your head and a full treasury. As you clock 80 today, God go give you stronger health, longer life, joy we no go finish, and blessings we go overflow your house. Your tomorrow go bright past today, your laughter go loud past trumpets, and your legacy go shine like morning sun for the world. From all of us for Pidgin Vibez, we say, Baba, happy 80th birthday. Now you be our daddy always.